Alright guys, good morning, good morning. More Than Fishing here. My name is June, and if you guys new to my channel, please stay. Don't skip, don't leave. We're gonna be catching halibut today, and today I'm gonna be using this kayak right here. This is my Autopilot 120 from Old Town. I'm getting a lot of comments from my previous videos about this kayak. The first question I get the most is, how do I load this kayak up right here in my car? I'm short, I'm 5'4" or 5'5", okay 5'4". And this SUV is taller than me, and this kayak weighs 128 pounds and I only weighs 135 pounds. So how do I load this up here on top of my car by myself? So I guess I'm gonna start off with bringing this kayak down out of my car. So this bracket right here, I have to remove it so I can pull this out. And also this side right here, I have to remove this one too. I'm gonna push this stern right here so I can turn it clockwise. Spin this. Right there, and now I'm just gonna slide it down. There. There you go. That's how you unload your kayak off your roof rack. So, and then later, after at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to load it up on the roof rack. Yeah, let's do this.
Try to find,
Nice.
but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from
What a nice day,
someone
guys.
you
What a nice
love.
day.
Not the wiser
Man,
to the sea.
I hope we catch a fish today.
Can I hide away above it all in the silence?
Yeah, like what it said, guys. Today we're up for halibut. We're gonna catch our halibut today. Yeah. Hopefully we get a good bite today. Yeah, anyways, before anything else, guys, I would just like to promote my merch. I got my sweatshirt right here, or hoodie, More Than Fishing hoodie, More Than Fishing hat, and a lot more. I got t-shirts, mugs. So check that out at my website at morethanfishing.net. So if you guys wanna support my channel, you can go ahead and purchase some of my product. So anyways, let's go. Yeah, let's go. I got a basics fish finder rig, or like just a slider right there in your main line, and I got a 40-pound braided line right here. And from there, from the slider, I got 8-ounce sinker right here with at least a foot length of line right there, just to get your range when you're trolling for halibut. And from there I got a leader right here. This is about like 5 feet leader, and my hook is set up to sliding hook right there. I got a treble hook size 6 treble hook right there. Oh no, that's size 4 treble hook. What we're gonna be using for bait today is herring, and this is what the halibut is biting right now. So I'm just gonna be hooking this herring from its mouth right there, simple as that, and then adjust my treble hook to the length of the bait. So maybe around, just gonna put it right here, just right there, just like that. And we adjust this right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then put a little bend right there. Look at that. I'll show you guys the action of the lure. That's it. That's the spin that we want. I like the weather, guys. I like the weather. Nice weather. Love it. We just need a fish to catch. Let's go. Put my keys right here. This compartment right here, this is sealed, so no water will get in there. It's one of the special features of this kayak, which is I like. It's not really special, but this is like a feature that you will need in a kayak, a sealed compartment where you can put your iPhone, your wallet, your keys right there. Let's go. Let's drink some coffee. Check this out. Fisherman's Life mug. Shout out to Fisherman's Life Mats. Thanks for the mug. Salty. Why? Alright, I'm just by myself here. Most of the kayakers and boats are all the way far out. We're gonna head up over there. It seems like the bite is up there. We're running about 1.5 miles per hour right here, and we are at 10 feet of water. Alright guys, yeah, just to give you an update, it's been an hour past now since we start trolling. We start trolling at 8:30 and now it's 9:30 in the morning. So the tide right now, it's incoming tide, and at 12:45 we will hit the peak high tide. So I like that for surf fishing. That's where I go out to catch striped bass during those incoming tide, 2 hours before it hit the peak high tide. Hopefully halibut bite at the same time frame, right? Oh, dang. What? Shoot, got a hit there. Oh no, I lost it. Yep, look. What? That big bite. Let me go back there. Let me go back there. Might get back to it. Hopefully get back to it. Yeah, man. I thought that's a big one. See, look at the fish. I got a bite marks right there. Right there. Big one. Yep, I'm seeing bait down there. Yeah. I think I got a fish here. Yep, fish. Shh. Oh no, it broke off. I broke off. No, that's a fish. Oh no. What the You know, I'm gonna have to change my line. I think the teeth just broke the line. Got this right here. Now this time, guys, we got 40-pounder test line right here. Alright guys, yeah, we now change our setup to, my leader now is 40-pound test line, so hopefully this time we'll not break it. I'm 100% sure the line was cut off by the teeth. because halibut teeth is really strong. Yeah, my bad. The reason I used the 25 pounder because last time I fished here with PK, I used the same leader and we landed a 26 inches halibut. So I don't know, this time I thought that was a, oh man, I don't know, that was a two fish. I lost 2 fish. Yep, it's a shaker. Right there. Wow. Yeah, finally we got one. Look at that. Yeah. Woo. This guy is fire. Nice. Look at that, guys. Halibut right there. Probably like 15-16 inches right here, right there, guys. Yeah, not big, very small. Let me get this guy. Go. All right, that's one. Yee. Let's get more. Yep, it's dead. No more. So we're going blind right now. The last time I checked the fish finder, we were at 22 feet deep. I'm just gonna keep holding my rod and keep dropping the weight and then feel the bottom. If we hit the bottom, and then I'm gonna crank it twice, 2 crank, and we troll. We're trolling back in now to the harbor. What a grind, man. We started at 8:30 in the morning and now it's already 1 o'clock, non-stop trolling. We got 2 bites and 1 hookup. I'm gonna change to fresh bait before we head in. All right, fresh bait. Got a fish here. Yep. Got a fish. Yep. This is another shaker, guys. Fights hard. Let's see. Oh, it's a shaker. Another shaker. That was with a fresh bait. So I guess we're gonna have to keep using fresh bait. Yeah, look at this. Nice. There you go, it's off. There you go, guys, another shaker right here. This is probably another 17 inches. Wow. What we're gonna do now, I'm gonna load up this kayak on the roof rack of my car, and I'm gonna do it by myself, and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, let's go. All right, this is it, guys. I'm gonna load up my kayak now on the top of the roof, and I'll show you guys how. So make sure that the back of the kayak is aligned to the middle of your car. So the center. So that's where. So when we lift the front of the boat, it's aligned straight towards the middle. So because we're gonna push it in. Yeah. So from here, just gonna lift it up. Oh, yep. All the way up. And bring right in the middle. Right there. Right there. Right in the middle. Just like that. And lift the back and push it in and turn it sideways. Alright, I'll show you. Just grab the bottom. Lift it up. And push, slide it in. Slide in and then turn. Push it more. Right there. Just turn it. There you go. And bring that to the center. Got it. That's it. That's how it is. That's how you load it up. So I hope you guys like this video. Unfortunately we didn't catch a keeper today, but I'm happy with 2 shakers. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like it, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. It's not just fishing, it's more than fishing.
Try to fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love.